Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, we will talk about what is Kotlin programming language is all about. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. What is Kotlin? Kotlin is statistically type object-oriented programming language that is interoperable with the Java Virtual Machine or JVM, Java class, libraries, and Android. The Kotlin programming language was originally designed to improve the Java programming language, and it is often used in conjunction with Java. Despite being the preferred development language of Android, Kotlin's interoperability with Java has led to be used with many application types. Okay guys, so this is the end of our short video on what is Kotlin programming language is all about. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.